You are looking at a live picture from Sherman Park right now, the center of that breaking news. A legal showdown tonight between Milwaukee County Executive Chris Abele and Sheriff David Clark. Abele ordered the fence around the park to be taken down this morning, calling it a barrier to healing. But Sheriff Clark instructed deputies to put that fence back up and arrest anyone, including Abele, who refused to leave the park after 6 p.m. Tonight, that battle moved to the courtroom. We have team coverage for you right now. Rebecca Clough is live at Sherman Park with reaction. But we begin with Ricky Mitchell. She's live at the courthouse with more on the judge's ruling on this showdown. Ricky.
Well, Katie, in a special court session held here tonight at the Criminal Justice Facility, a judge ordered a temporary restraining order against Sheriff David Clark, saying that he has to stop impeding the public's access to Sherman Park.
The sheriff is not above the law.
Milwaukee County Circuit Court Judge David Hansher held a special court session tonight all over this orange fencing around Sherman Park. The fencing went up 3 weeks ago following violence in the Sherman Park neighborhood when Sheriff David Clark ordered that the park would close early indefinitely. Then at about 6 this morning, the county executive took the fence down and said the park would resume its normal hours. But about 8 hours later, the fence went back up at the request of Sheriff Clark.
They have a right to do so. They have a right to walk their dogs through the park. And closing it down does not serve any public interest. And the sheriff hasn't, by not showing up here, has basically conceded such.
The judge said Sheriff Clark refused to attend tonight's hearing after he was served with the motion. An attorney representing the county executive said by keeping the park closed, the sheriff took away the public's right to freedom of expression.
I think it's important that the public have free and unencumbered use and enjoyment of their property, public property, and so, we're very happy with the judge's decision.
Now, again, this is just a temporary restraining order, so that means there's another hearing scheduled on Wednesday when this will be discussed again. Until then, though, the park will remain open until 10 p.m., which is the normal closing hour, and that fencing must come down around the park, and the sheriff's office cannot put up any replacement fencing once it comes down. Reporting live from downtown Milwaukee, Ricky Mitchell, today's TMJ4.
All right, thanks for that report, Ricky.